In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a Fusion 360 drawing. We'll walk through the exact workflow to keep your drawing synchronized with its 3D model, and I'll share a few practical tips so your updates are clean, accurate, and ready to share. First, open your drawing in Fusion 360. Drawings in Fusion 360 are associative, which means they reference the underlying 3D model. That link is what allows dimensions, views, and callouts to reflect model changes automatically once you update. If nothing in the model has changed, your drawing will already be current. If the underlying model has changed, click Update in the drawing toolbar. You'll usually find this as a refresh style icon, and it may highlight or become active when Fusion 360 detects that your drawing is out of date. Clicking Update pulls in the latest geometry, so base, projected, section, and detail views all reflect the most recent version of the model. Give it a moment if your design is complex. Larger assemblies can take a little longer to refresh. After the update completes, review the updated views and dimensions. Start with the primary views, then check any sections and details to make sure cut lines still make sense and that view scales are appropriate. Look for any flags or dimensions that turned invalid due to deleted edges or feature changes. These can appear as missing or misaligned references. Confirm overall sizes, whole locations, thread callouts, and critical datums. If you're working across multiple sheets, scan each one to ensure consistency. The goal here is to verify that what's on paper truly matches your latest model intent. Next, make any additional edits if needed. This is the time to adjust annotations, add or refine dimensions, and update notes for clarity. Reattach any dangling dimensions to the correct edges or faces and replace any that no longer make sense. Add center lines and center marks where appropriate, clarify tolerances, and ensure your symbols, leaders, and notes follow your drawing standard. If a view becomes crowded after the update, consider moving dimensions to clearer locations or changing the view scale for readability. Always aim for a drawing that communicates unambiguously without over-dimensioning. Finally, save the drawing to keep the changes. Use the save command so your updates are committed to the file and versioned properly. A quick save right after you finish reviewing and editing ensures your drawing stays aligned with the model and is ready for collaboration or release. And that's it. Your Fusion 360 drawing is now up to date, clear, and ready to go.